So you might have purchased new Galaxy S10 Plus and worried about the screen protection. And for the protection you might be using the pre-applied Samsung screen protector or some other cheap protectors. Although they give some type of protection but not the complete protection. And there is no tempered glass available in the market which is working great with the S10 Plus in-display fingerprint. Well, I might have found one. So here I am having a tempered glass from a company known as Whitestone Dome, and they have claimed that this is the first tempered glass protector which works great with your S10 Plus in-display fingerprint. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here we are having Whitestone Dome glass, and this one is for Galaxy S10 Plus. So it has four full, that is full ultrasonic recognition, full clarity, full coverage and full filling. So, and also they recommend you to re-register your fingerprint after attaching the dome glass for more accuracy and precision. And also they are telling that they are having the adhesive curing by UV light, which gives you bubble-free installation kit using a technology known as liquid optical clear adhesive. So let's take them out and let's find out the content of this box. So this is the complete content of the box, and I personally recommend you to read this guide before you begin the installation process. So first thing first, what we need to do is that we need to remove the pre-applied screen protector and the case from our Galaxy S10 Plus before we can begin our installation process. Grab a cotton swab and let's clean our phone thoroughly, even including the edges. Now use this microfiber cloth to clean your phone thoroughly and remove excess alcohol from your phone. Place your phone in the back tray. So once you have done that, you can remove the fine dust particles using this dust remover sticker. So before placing the bridge, ensure that this tab is fitted on the top plate, and if not, just go and fit it. First remove this cap so that you should apply your liquid correctly and put it in this. Now remove the top cover and wait for 30 to 40 seconds so that all the liquid has spilled out. And once it has done, remove this cap and even remove the bridge. So now we are at the final stage of our installation. So just peel out the back portion and just ensure that you have placed it correctly onto the phone. Now here comes a very important part. Press and hold the bottom portion so that your liquid comes, and once it touches your screen, take this out and let the liquid get applied to your phone uniformly and let it be there for some time. So leave it for 1 minute so that the uniform application of liquid is there onto your phone. So now we are going to do the UV curing. Just place your UV at the bottom for 15 seconds and at the top for 15 seconds. Grab the alcohol swab and clean your phone thoroughly from the sides so that the extra adhesive can be removed from your phone. And the best part is that it does not interfere with your screen brightness or colors. And you can use your phone in a direct sunlight without any doubt, and the screen looks vivid and it looks like there is no screen protector on top of your screen. It's case friendly, so you can use your case without any doubt onto your phone. You can use your in-display fingerprint to unlock your phone, and it works like a charm. So it's a little bit costly when we are comparing with other screen protectors, but when we are talking about the unique installation process and in-display fingerprint working like a charm, I think this is worth the money which you can spend on it. So I'm really impressed by this screen protector, and it's going to be on my S10 Plus for pretty long. So I hope you like the content, and if this video was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So this is all for today, and catch you in the next video.